Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is Roccabox. This is their monthly beauty box for June. It costs £15 and £3.95 shipping, only available in the UK. It contains 4 full-size products and 1 deluxe mini, and it has a total value of £117. They do have a discount code that you're able to use to have 20% off, which is summer20. I'll pop that code down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription, and you'll also see all my other deals and offers and codes for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look down there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's in their June box. Sneak peek! Although I don't know why I do these, because it's like, what's the point? What's the point? But it's just a habit. I've been doing this for a couple of years now and I'm stuck. Even my intro, I've been saying the same words for the last couple of years. Do you think I should change it up a bit? Oh. Anyway, July sneak peek. We've got Hello Skin Hydrogel Eye Masks, and it's worth £9.99. So in everyone's box, you'll receive those next month. I haven't heard of that brand. I haven't tried anything from that brand before, but love these gels. I absolutely love them. I've got some Pixie ones. I've got some Patchology ones as well. They're in my daughter's fridge. My daughter's got a little fridge. It used to be mine, and then we started sharing it, and now it's in her bedroom. So I keep forgetting I've actually got skincare products in there, but that's where they are, and they're so nice. Really nice and cold for your under eyes. Theme Summer Essentials. Packed with 5 beauty discoveries that we love, worth £117. We've created a selection of products that will keep you looking and feeling your best this summer. Whether you're looking for the perfect pop of colour for your pedicure, want to add a touch of radiance to your makeup routine, or find the ultimate SPF hero, we've got you covered. There's a QR code here, so let's scan it. There's a better code here. Get £5 off your first box, so instead of 15, get it for 10. The code is DRF5. I'll pop it down below. Starting from the sneak peek we had last month, this is XX Revolution. How do you say it? XX Revolution? XX Revolution? I'm not sure. And this is Bright Light Strobe Primer. Love the packaging. Look at that. Nightmare with a ring light though. But it's really pretty, isn't it? It's 30 mils here. Oh, sellotape. Sellotape. I hate things with sellotape on them. Oh. There. Strobe and Fix Imperfections Light Reflective Formula. Wear alone for a natural radiance boost, or mix with foundation for a flawless finish. Alright then, let's try it. There. Okay. It feels really, really nice. Wow, how shimmery is it? Ooh, ooh, I don't think it is. No, it's not. That is really nice. I was expecting it to be really opaly, you know, really iridescent. But it's not. That is quite subtle, but just enough just to give you a bit of a glow. I'm not sure if you'd be able to pick that up on the camera. But no, that is perfect for me. I don't like mixing these with foundations anymore because it just highlights all my imperfections, which are generally in the middle of my face. So no, I don't like it. But I would definitely add a little bit on a brush on top of my foundation, or mix it in with my foundation for my cheeks and forehead. Yeah, it's really pretty. Maybe a little bit on my nose. Yeah, I think you can experiment a lot with this. No, really happy with that. Is there any explanation? Explanation. Why is it in the box? This is full size and it is worth £15. The creamy formula applies white and dries down into a light reflecting finish, so you can wear it alone or before your foundation for a summer glow that will turn heads. It's cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, really, really chuffed with that. Next, we got the original dry shampoo. Baptistes. This is a tropical and bold pink pineapple. 200 mils. In my opinion, the best. I've got an Olaplex one, which is rather pricey. It's nice, but if you really suffer with greasy hair and you want to get rid of it completely, I haven't found a dry shampoo totally absorbs the grease. You know, I've got some lovely dry shampoos. There's Live-In Proof is another one, as well as the Olaplex. Both really lovely, but I tend to use them if I've got a little bit of greasiness going on, but I want to put my hair up in an updo, want to thicken my hair up a little bit, which are great. But with this one, spray my roots, try and get as much of the white casting away as possible, because unfortunately with this one it does leave more of a white cast than more than any of the others. But, you know, you give it a good old shake and everything, brush it through, and yeah, I would leave my hair down. It's fine, it completely gets rid of grease. This is full size and it retails for £3. There's no introduction needed with this iconic summer staple. It's the UK's #1 dry shampoo for a reason. This special edition will bring your pool party hair back to its former glory in just a few sprays, plus it smells delicious. It's got dry shampoo. Next I've got nail varnish. This is by Manicurist, green colours, quick dry intense colour, and this is red coral. A really pretty shade for the summer. I've got very similar on my toes at the minute. I have my nails done in a salon. They're looking really dry around the cuticles at the moment. But anyway, I'm having them redone tomorrow and I don't know what to have. Might actually go for a colour like that, just plain. It's really pretty. But yeah, I like nail polish for my toes, but not so much for my nails. This is full size and it retails for £14. If you're looking for a quick, dry, intense pop of colour for your summer mani and pedi, look no further. The polish is made from up to 84% bio-source ingredients which are vegan and cruelty-free, and it's made to last. It's got nail polish. Then we've got Dr. Botanicals. This is Apothecary limited edition sun protection body cream, SPF 30, and there's 50 mils here. Do you remember last month's box? They had the Murad SPF. I'm wearing it today, I'm wearing it daily. I really like that one. I haven't tried this one though. I haven't tried any products from Dr. Botanicals for a long while actually, but we used to see it a lot in different beauty boxes over the years. This is worth £79. Whoa. Personally, I don't think I would spend £79 on a 30ml. I don't think I'd spend £79 on a 100ml SPF. That's a heck of a lot of money. A heck of a lot of money, isn't it? I'm obsessed with Boots Sultan 8 Hour. It's amazing. And I've had skin cancer. I've had malignant melanoma, so I have to be really, really careful with skin. I love Boots. It's brilliant. Oh, there's so many. There's so many SPFs. I'm a little bit obsessed with them. I've got a huge collection going on. I love trying different ones. But yeah, £79. Even if it's amazing, I can't see myself going out and spending that on an SPF. Would you? I'd love to hear. Would you do that? I don't know. It's not a summer essential box without an SPF. We've picked this one because it's a combo of mineral and chemical filters which not only protects against UVB rays but also the entire ultraviolet spectrum, e.g. blue and infrared, all of which can cause premature aging of the skin, erythema and even skin cancer. This is your new handbag essential. Yeah, I like the size, easy to pop in a handbag, but I always use SPF 50 in the summer. But I will use that. So we've got an SPF. And then lastly, we have got Yogobi. This is a squalene hand cream. This quickly absorbed hand cream. It's really small writing, so that's why I probably sound a little bit weird. Containing plant-based squalene, panthenol, vitamin B5 and organic glycerin. Improves your skin's moisture balance, restores its suppleness and makes your hands silky soft. So we've got a hand cream there. I have tried this before. There, you're not going to see anything. Yeah, it feels really, really nice. Oh, it's got a really nice smell, like an ocean smell. But we got a hand lotion there. So those are all the products inside this month's Roccabox. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got an XX Revolution Bright Light Primer. We've got a Batiste Dry Shampoo. We've got a Manicurist Nail Polish in Coral Red. We've got Dr. Botanicals Apothecary SPF 30 Body Cream. And lastly, a Yogobi hand cream. So the cost of the box is £15 and £3.95 shipping on top, unless you take advantage of any of the codes. There's two available for 20% off or £5 off. You'll find both of them down below in my description. Hopefully they will last over the next week or two if you're interested in this box for yourself. And the value is £117. Yeah, a great little mix of summer products there. Happy with the primer. Was expecting it to be really super doopy stroby. Super doopy. What am I saying? Expecting it to be really strobe-like and really iridescent, but no, really pleasantly surprised. So yeah, can't wait to try that. Nail polish, perfect for my toes. Hand cream feels nice, a handbag sort of staple. SPF, I'll use it. Definitely use it. And Batiste. Always handy to have that. I don't use it all the time because I find that it does dry my hair out quite a bit, but sometimes I need it. I need to get rid of that grease if I'm going somewhere and I haven't got time to wash my hair or whatever. So it's always a handy thing to have in with all my beauty stuff and hair stuff. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Have you subscribed? Have you received it yet? Or are you watching this thinking, oh, should I subscribe this month or not? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But as always, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.